Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating buong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. The Mr. Global 2024 competition is in full swing, with candidates from all over the world participating in various activities leading up to the grand coronation. Among these standout candidates is Domier Dom Corella, representing the Philippines. Dom has captured the attention of fans and pageant enthusiasts with his charisma, charm, and strong presence. As his daily activities continue, the candidates are engaging in a wide array of events, from photoshoot and cultural presentation to physical challenges and community service projects. Each day brings new opportunities for the contestants to showcase their talents, individuality, and commitment to the values of the Mr. Global organization, which promotes environmental awareness and global advocacy. And to support Dom Corella in this prestigious competition, the voting process plays a significant role, and fans can show their support by casting votes online, helping propel Dom closer to the title. Every vote counts in securing his place as a front-runner, highlighting not only his dedication but also the pride and talent of the Philippines on the global stage. By voting for Dom, you're not only supporting his journey but also amplifying his voice as he represents the country with grace, strength, and the commitment to making a positive impact.
Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!